Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. I hope you and your families are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my black tea and also how I make bay leaf tea. Then afterwards we're going to look at the top 3 bay leaves that are commonly used in different regions of the world. So right now let's jump right straight to the video. Firstly, let's start by looking at the black tea benefits for hair. 1. Black tea prevents hair fall. The main reason behind hair loss is a hormone called the DHT. Black tea contains caffeine, which blocks DHT, thus allowing your hair strands to flourish in endless growth. By doing so, black tea can thicken and strengthen your hair. 2. Black tea helps to stimulate hair growth. Black tea rinse works to stimulate hair by using caffeine. The caffeine blocks the DHT hormone from producing, and this fosters healthy hair and maintenance. Black tea can add shine to your hair. Rinsing your hair with black tea helps to darken your hair and adds luster. Black tea contains more caffeine that penetrates into the hair follicles, and it can also be used when your hair has been damaged by chemical-based shampoos. 4. Black tea can soften your hair and make your hair look stronger, shiny, and full of life. Now let's look at the benefits of bay tea for the hair. Number 1. Bay tea improves hair follicles to prevent hair loss. Weak hair follicles is the major reason why our hair results in hair loss. Bay leaves can help prevent this by strengthening your hair roots and thus making your follicles stronger. 2. It can be used as a hair conditioner. Antioxidant present in the bay leaf can help smoothen your hair and also render them smooth and shiny. 3. Bay leaves eliminates fungal infection on your hair and scalp. Bay leaf reduces scalp inflammation. Crushing bay leaf and applying it on the swollen area or the affected area can help to calm down the scalp due to the anti-inflammatory properties in the bay leaf. 5. Leaves have some good properties that actually helps to increase the blood circulation in your scalp that results in excess hair growth. 6. Bay leaves treats itchy scalps and skin. To treat itchy scalp and skin, grind the bay leaves, mix with any oil of your choice and apply it on the affected area. This helps with strengthening the hair follicles and also reduce the itchiness over the scalp or the skin. 7. Bay leaves can also treat dandruff. A rinse with bay leaf can help treat dandruff on hair. Bay leaf acts as a tonic to the hair, which helps to treat dandruff and also eradicate dandruff built over the scalp. 8. TikTok. Bay leaf can help get rid of lice. Lice starts with 1 and it can multiply to many within 10 days. Rinsing off with bay leaf water can help to treat the lice on the hair and also clean the scalp thoroughly. Due to the bitter tasting and strong flavor, it creates a suffocating condition for lice to stay in your hair. In short, bay leaf softens, smoothens, strengthens your hair and also increases blood circulation all over your scalp. Okay, so guys, before I get to the video and show you how I make my black tea and my bay leaf tea, let's look at the 3 types of commonly used bay leaves in the world. Like the bay leaves, they differ depending on your region and where you are. So firstly, we have the bay laurel leaf, Indian bay leaf, Indonesian bay leaves, which is what I have currently right now. I am loving it. I love this thing, guys. I love this thing. In my backyard, I have a bay leaf tree, and before I get the leaves, I like to connect with the tree and let the mother know what it is that I want to do with the leaves and what my intentions are. So this is how my Indonesian bay leaf is looking like. So right now I'm going to dip them in warm water and I'm going to wash them for a couple of minutes. When I'm done, I'm going to boil them, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the leaves on a medium low heat of 4. And then while I'm waiting for my bay leaf tea to be ready, I'm going to go ahead and make my black tea. So guys, so while I'm waiting for my bay tea, I'm going to go ahead and make my black tea. So the brand that I'm going to be using for my black tea is 5 Roses. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip one bag of tea bag inside boiling water. So it is so good. So right now I'm just going to put that aside, and guys, now you can see that my bay leaf tea is okay, and also my black tea is also showing some color. So right now I'm just going to cover the tops, and then I'm going to put it in a dark place for 3 days for fermentation, because guys, like, there's power in fermentation. Fermentation stuff is good for your health, it's good for your hand, skin, and also guys, and fermented stuff has some good properties that are actually good in slowing down the process of aging. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys the steps that I follow for maximum growth every time when I wash my hair, and also how I deep condition, and also how you can create your own leave-in conditioner. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.